starting at $55,000. FK Tech here. After the ID.4 electric SUV and ID. Buzz minivan, Volkswagen plans to soon launch the ID.7, a mid-size four-door family sedan comparable to the Passat. Based on the id.aero concept, the ID.7 was designed to be as aerodynamic as possible, but as you can see in the photos, it's also very stylish. When it goes on sale as a 2025 model, it's expected to offer rear and all-wheel drive electric powertrains. Range should be around 300 miles, slightly longer than the ID.4. All models are equipped with a large 15.0-inch infotainment touchscreen and head-up display that can display important information such as navigation instructions and vehicle speed. What's new in 2025? The ID.7 will be an all-new model for Volkswagen and is scheduled to launch in 2024, most likely in the 2025 model year. We've calculated the price here, but expect the MSRP and trim levels to be similar to the ID.4. Initially, VW will only offer the ID.7 in a single-engine, rear-wheel drive configuration, but 2- and 4-wheel drive variants are expected to join the lineup later. Interior, comfort, luggage. The ID.7 replaces the mid-size Passat family sedan in the range, giving Volkswagen a spacious interior. There's also ample cargo space, and instead of a traditional trunk, the ID.7 has a liftback design similar to the Arteon petrol sedan. The interior is smartly designed and the build quality was top-notch even in the prototype I drove. Volkswagen has developed a sophisticated yet new ventilation design that uses electric motors to adjust airflow to better distribute hot or cold air in the cabin. Depending on the preference, there are large glass roofs and opaque uncle. If you get more information about the interior and ID.7 features, you will update this event with that part. Infotainment and connectivity. All ID.7 models come standard with a large 15.0-inch infotainment display with Volkswagen's latest infotainment interface. The main display shows key information on the windscreen and there is also a small digital readout display. EV engine, power and performance. At launch, the ID.7 comes with a single electric motor driving the rear wheels with 282 horsepower. A dual-motor, all-wheel drive version is expected to join the lineup later, but for now, this rear-wheel drive setup should provide very good acceleration. VW claims it accelerates to 60 miles per hour in 5.0 seconds. We tested the prototype in Spain and were impressed by the stiffer suspension, well-controlled body movements and playful handling. However, we found the steering to be less natural than we'd like in some driving modes and some of the tuning was still not complete. I'll get a chance to drive a production version when the ID.7 is released, and when I do, I'll update this story with the new car effects. Range, charging and battery life. A 77.0 kWh battery borrowed from the ID.4 is standard, offering a range of around 500 kilometers on a single charge. This is more than the ID.4 SUV, and the wider aerodynamic shape of the ID.7 increases the range. A larger 86.0 kWh battery will be added to the range at a later date, but will likely be exclusive to the more powerful dual-motor all-wheel drive models. Actual fuel economy and MPG. The EPA hasn't yet released fuel economy estimates for the ID.7, and neither has Volkswagen, but expect to see higher numbers for the ID.4, which is rated at up to 107 mpg in the city. Security and auxiliary function. We consider many directors, including advanced automatic emergency brakes and cruises, as ID standards. Standard automatic braking. Road deductions that cannot be used in the field. Standard adaptive cruise control. Guarantee and maintenance. Volkswagen offers the limited warranty above and low-level equipment and is currently a low mark and offers a free maintenance of 2 years or 20,000 kilometers. Like the ID.4, the ID.7's electrical components are guaranteed for 8 years or 100,000 miles. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Battery components warranty is 8 years or 100,000 miles. Pay for free maintenance for 2 years or 20,000 miles. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and turn on the notification button below.